Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Afterpay API integration. A comprehensive guide to help you successfully integrate Afterpay into your e-commerce platform. Afterpay is a popular payment method that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments, and integrating its API into your platform can enhance customer experience and increase sales. To start with, you need to register for an Afterpay merchant account and obtain your API credentials, including the API key and secret key. These credentials are essential for authenticating your API requests and must be kept secure. The next step is to choose the right API endpoint for your integration. Afterpay provides various endpoints for different payment scenarios, such as creating an order, retrieving an order, and canceling an order. You need to select the endpoint that suits your business needs and follow the API documentation to construct the correct API request. When constructing the API request, make sure to include all the required parameters, such as the order amount, customer details, and payment terms. You should also handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a seamless customer experience. To ensure a successful integration, it is crucial to test your API requests thoroughly. Afterpay provides a sandbox environment where you can test your API requests without affecting live transactions. You should test different payment scenarios, including successful payments, failed payments, and canceled payments. Best practices for Afterpay API integration include handling asynchronous requests, implementing webhooks for payment updates, and providing clear payment instructions to customers. You should also ensure that your platform is compliant with Afterpay's terms and conditions, as well as relevant payment industry standards. In terms of security, you should use HTTPS for all API requests, validate customer input data, and protect sensitive customer information. You should also monitor your API requests and respond promptly to any errors or issues that may arise. By following these tips and best practices, you can ensure a successful Afterpay API integration that enhances customer experience and increases sales. Remember to always refer to the official Afterpay API documentation for the most up-to-date information and guidelines. With careful planning and testing, you can provide your customers with a seamless and secure payment experience.